Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I'm gonna show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because guys, today we saw finally the outcome of the FOMC meeting, which was the expected one, 25 basis point. And on Bitcoin price, Bitcoin reacted as I was waiting for. If you go and check my previous video, my yesterday video, you're gonna realize that yesterday I gave you two scenarios according to the outcome of the FOMC meeting, which was the first one. It was bullish, and it was bullish if we were going to see a stop on the rates, but the difference is that we were going to see both stock market and Bitcoin into a pump. And the second scenario was this one, the 25 basis point, which also had more probabilities to happen. But the difference on this one, I told you that we're gonna see big dump on the stock market, and also this is gonna be very bad for the economy because these rates has no stop, and we need to see finally a stop, because every month we continue, guys, increasing these rates, and we need finally to see a stop on those rates. Okay, but this is very good for Bitcoin, and the reason of that is because people distrust the bank system, distrust the governments, distrust all these very corrupted things, and start trusting the Bitcoin, the crypto space. And that's why we saw Bitcoin to a big pump. And on this video, guys, I'm gonna give you exactly what I believe is gonna happen as the next move, because there is a big probability to see as the next move the $30,000 for the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know exactly what I'm expecting to see as the next move, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And also, before we continue, guys, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before any kind of investment. And also, I would like to show you guys my Patreon channel, because here is where you're gonna find low cap gems with massive potential. And do not forget that the altcoin season is on the corner. And here, guys, you're gonna see low cap gems, mid cap gems, high cap gems too, because also there are very good high cap gems that can give you a return at 10x, 15x, 20x, 7x. It's not bad, but I focus more on low caps, because, guys, the low caps can bring you 1000x, 500x, 200x, and many 100x. So here you're gonna have a benefits like buy signals, sell signals, stake signals, access to my whole portfolio, analyze all my strategies, and I'm teaching you these strategies because it's really important to have a strategy on the bull run, because subsequently, if you don't have a strategy, you can get wrecked out very easily. And the most important part of this VIP soldier group is not all the benefits that I told you, is actually the Telegram VIP community, where here you're gonna have a family with the same goal, the same purpose, the same people like you, that you looking to become wealthy. And guys, on this group, multimillionaires included. Obviously, I'm not gonna say who is who, but guys, here is where you're gonna get help anytime that you will need. If you have questions, if you would like to avoid any kind of mistake from the people who have already succeeded on this space, here is the group, because especially me as a Chris, I will help you as soon as possible as you question me something or whatsoever. Okay, I look every time my phone, and whenever I see a Telegram message, I reply that instantly. You're gonna have full help on this group, because my main goal from this group is to make you wealthy. Okay, this is my main goal, and I'm gonna try to do my best to make every single guy of this group wealthy. Okay, highly recommend, especially to get early before the altcoin season. And let's get back to our analysis, because here also we need to point some very important things, and you must have in your mind, guys. As I told you previously, it happened the scenario that I was waiting for. We saw the 25 basis point, and this was bullish for the Bitcoin because it is bad for the economy. Bitcoin had completely decoupled from SP500, and this is very significant movement that you shouldn't ignore. Okay, and I know many of you're gonna tell me, Chris, right now we, after halving, Bitcoin will jump into a bull run, and I agree completely. But you should realize that we have some adoption on the bear market, which means that we can see Bitcoin in bigger numbers. Okay, and because banks are going into a big collapse, okay, banks going into bankruptcy, people's pulling off the money, start searching where they're gonna actually invest those money or save those money. And most of people right now prefer the crypto space, especially the Bitcoin price. That's why Bitcoin holding very strong at these levels. And let's tell you right now where I believe are very crucial resistance and supports from the technical side that we should pay big focus right now, because you can clearly see live the Bitcoin that the time that I'm making this video is pumping a lot. Okay, we saw all-time high of the day here, $29,156, $62. You can clearly see, and probably we can see furthermore pump to the upside. So important support, it was the $28,000. If you remember when we saw here this huge pullback, I told you the most crucial part of this pullback, it was to close this daily candle above $28,000. And the reason of that, it was because the next day, which happened yesterday, we had the space to see a pump to the upside as it happened. And guys, right now we saw the 25 basis point, because yesterday I told you that no matter what's happening here from the technical side, the big role is gonna play on today on the FOMC meeting, which we saw the 25 basis point, and it happened as I was waiting for. SP500 damped a lot. We saw big dump here and Bitcoin pump. Also DXY guys is decreasing, which is also very great for the Bitcoin. And if you remember, I told you weeks ago that when the DXY had $105 that we're gonna see DXY from time to time under $100, and this is super bullish for the Bitcoin price. And right now guys, we have a very significant resistance, which is a weekly resistance at $29,360, $50 around that area. Okay, here. And actually I will make it green as I had it previously, just to know it better. Here is this very crucial weekly resistance. So you can clearly see that right now we have 1 hour and 40 minutes to close the daily candle. If, which I believe it, okay, if we're gonna see furthermore pump and we're gonna close the daily candle above this weekly resistance, I highly believe that there is gonna be massive potential in the next coming days and maybe the next coming hours to retest this $30,500, and this could be massive guys, because if we're gonna get up high to retest that yellow line, to be honest with you guys, I highly believe that we're gonna break it this time. And if you remember, if we're gonna break this yellow line and we're gonna stay above that, is huge bullish signal that subsequently we can get even higher, and probably we will never ever come back and under this $30,500. Okay, we're gonna start building very slow the bulls territory for the bull run. The all-time high, the peak, the massive peaks of the Bitcoin is gonna happen after halving. But until then, we can keep the Bitcoin price at higher levels, $40,000, $50,000, and we're gonna fluctuate on all these prices, and we're gonna still be on the bear market. Okay, guys, this is exactly what I believe, and that's why here I'm remain neutral. Okay, I'm waiting to see a big confirmation here with a massive breakout, but I give more odds. I like 75% that there is a big probability to see huge breakouts in every resistance that we have ahead of us in the next coming hours and days. Okay, let's see what's about to happen. The most crucial part is to close above this green line. Let's see if we're gonna see something like that, or if we're gonna find here any kind of rejection. I will give you another update tomorrow. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. Let me know if you have any question. Drop it down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to check my VIP soldier community. It's highly recommended, especially before, guys, the altcoin season. I'm gonna give you the showcase when the altcoin season is gonna happen, and you're gonna regret that you didn't join earlier. Trust me on that. And until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.